Welcome to this video on taming the fastest force in the universe, the physics of fiber optic communication. We will explore how we transform light into data, use total internal reflection, and effectively bottle a star. In traditional systems, electricity faces conductive resistance. Light, however, is the ultimate carrier. It moves at near instantaneous speeds, offering massive data capacity and high-frequency bandwidth. The encoding process converts digital data into rapid on/off pulses of light using a laser or LED diode. Each pulse of light represents a bit of information traveling at the speed limit of the universe. The vessel is comprised of two layers of glass with different optical properties. The core, made of pure glass or plastic, is surrounded by the cladding. This structure is the engineering secret that allows light to turn corners. The core and cladding create a refractive barrier through a refractive index mismatch. The cladding has a lower refractive index, forcing the light to reflect rather than escape when it hits the boundary, trapping the light within the glass highway. This phenomenon, known as total internal reflection, guides the light along the fiber. By striking the cladding at shallow angles, the pulse is continuously reflected. This allows data to travel across continents without escaping the strand. Fiber optics excels at defeating signal loss. Light signals degrade significantly less over long distances compared to electricity and copper, allowing for vast transmission ranges with minimal need for amplification. Light is also immune to interference. Electromagnetic interference from power lines, machinery, or storms can corrupt electrical signals, but light cuts through the noisiest environments with zero degradation. At the destination, the reconstruction process begins. A receiver detects the incoming light pulses and instantly converts them back into electrical signals, reconstructing the original data for your screen. From a single pulse of light to the entire internet, we are effectively bottling a star to connect the world. This is high-speed, high-bandwidth communication that defies distance.